Hey, it's Anna with WTI. And if you are looking for a flower crown with a little extra pizzazz, then you're going to love this one. This LED flower crown from CAKURE is so perfect for all of your summer festivals, parties, whatever. It is absolutely gorgeous. It has these long trailing flowers with a beautiful adjustable headband with LED lights woven into the crown part of it. And I love that there are three different modes that you can use with the lights, whether you want them flashing fast, slow, or just on. You are going to love the way these look when they are lit up. You can have them lit up during the day or at night, and they are gorgeous, or you could wear it without the lights. I loved braiding these long sunflower pieces into my hair or just letting them be long and flowy. It really is just the perfect piece. I really love this flower crown. I think it is so fun, and I can't wait to wear it all summer to all of my favorite festivals. This is going to be my new favorite accessory, and that is my point of view.